How to use symptom trends on flow. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps and how you can use symptom trends on flow. Well, flow symptom trends are accessible through the log or the plus button on the main screen. Simply open up your flow application and right on the home screen you'll find the plus icon, My Daily Insights Today. This is the symptom trends option. You wanna log in your symptoms on here. Tap on the plus icon and you can choose how you are feeling today. You are having backache, bloating. If you want to search particular, such as if you are having pain, you can search in pain here and you can see abdominal pain, constipation and such. You can also see the sex and sex drives here, moods. If you are feeling calm, you can select you are feeling calm. You can remove the other ones. Then you can select if you're having fatigue, insomnia as well, and if you're having vaginal discharge or digestion stool. If you're not having any discharge, you can select no discharge as well, and you can log it in and apply it. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.